is Jeff Stillman. I've been a member of the Building and Realty Institute for over 40 years, serving as Vice Chairman of ACMA for many of the years and also on the Board of Trustees. My company name is Rainbow Restoration of Westchester. We're located in Armonk. We have a company that does fire, water, and mold mitigation and remediation. We also have a warehouse located in White Plains that handles contents that needs to be packed and held and cleaned and returned back to the properties. So everything you asked are all issues and trends we're dealing with. Obviously climate change is a big one. And the areas you talked about are all inherent to the 3 states we deal with. The rising frequency of storms and floods coming from the coastal areas. We're on the coast. Being on the coast, we're subject to those type of issues. Aging infrastructure is also a major challenge. Other challenges, we have labor shortages, rising costs due to inflation, insurance complexity, and regulatory compliance and market saturation. I've built up many relationships through the years, through clients that I've dealt with, the professionals that have been on the board, various boards with me, and the networking events I've gone to. I've been able to obtain business. I've also been able to learn how to better run my company, and I've actually formed good friendships with people. And one area I served on was the strategic planning committee, and I also have been renegotiating the union contracts for over 40 years. So strategic planning obviously helps me in my company and what I do. In strategic planning, I learned a lot from it, the skills and also what to apply in the business. And I've also learned through the negotiating committee how to negotiate contracts, how to negotiate people issues with the union. There is to have a restoration plan in place. In other words, don't wait for when you have that disaster to look for a restoration company. Get to know the companies around and make an agreement or a contract with the company that you do feel comfortable with. And that way they'll come in, they could do a plan for you and set things up. We actually have an app that we put into all the properties with all the information on it, so you're ready for that disaster.